YouTube, it's your boy Civic again with another video. Today we are installing these Suma Performance side view mirrors on my 2024 Civic Type R. So first of all, huge shout out to Suma Performance. They did send these out for the free. Appreciate you guys. So these are supposed to be, they're like wide angle side view mirrors. So compared to the OEM ones, you can see that they're clear. I mean, they do. I mean, I don't have any complaints with them. With the OEM ones, it's not like they're not wide or they have like a blind spot. It's really not that bad, to be honest with you. But they did send me these. They said that these are a little bit more of a wide angle so you can see more and have less of a blind spot. And they are anti-reflective. Reflective, I think that's the word. It's so that, like, let's say at nighttime, like headlights from behind, it won't have that like glare, so you don't get blinded by them, pretty much. I think I'm using the correct words. If not, excuse my language. English is not my first language. I just learned it when I was going into high school. Yeah, I was in 9th grade. But anyways, let me turn this camera around so you guys can see these. So these are the Suma Performance mirrors. As you guys can tell, they have the blue, like a blue tint on them. They do look pretty nice. They even have, like, for the blind spot detection. I don't know if you guys can see that, the image in there. Just because my OEM ones, they have the blind spot detection too. So they sent me both sides. They do look pretty nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. It does look pretty wide too. Hey, hello. But anyways, let's go ahead with this install. It shouldn't take too long. I did look online how to, like, the proper way to do it, just because I don't want to break anything. And with the side view mirror, you pretty much just pop out the old one. Just here, I'll show you. Let me go in here. Let me turn this camera around real quick. So you just put like a pry tool behind here. Well, first of all, I'm gonna go inside the car real quick and try to adjust the mirror so that it's all the way up, so I can get something behind it and then just pry it up. So you just pry it. There's like 3 tabs, I think, in there, and then you just disconnect the one connector, and that's pretty much it. So it's not supposed to be that big of a deal, but if you guys have been part of the channel, you guys know that sometimes the simplest installs can end up being the most difficult. But let me turn on the car real quick so I can adjust the mirrors. There we go. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Yeah, so I just pretty much push it all the way back so you can get that gap in here. So I can fit my fingers and just pry it. Let me do that side too. Can't see. So in case you don't know what I'm doing, just go here and then just go all the way up. There we go. There we go. That should be good enough. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get this going. Let me see. I think I'm doing it right. I feel like I'm gonna break something. Ooh, bro, that is scary. That is scary. Okay, so I got one. You can kind of see in there. Can you kind of see in there? Yeah, so you see that tab right there? That one's popped. I think this one got to pop it too. Oh, there we go. I did something. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, not gonna lie. Oh, bro, that is scary as heck. But we got it though. All right, so now we just gotta disconnect this, and we're good. So I'm gonna put the camera down real quick because I'm not trying to drop this on the floor. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back. So we got it out the way. So in case you guys want to know, well, more of a clean look, you gotta pry it out of this tab. I think it's these 2 tabs too, and then just disconnect these 2 connectors. This smaller one, there's a little tab you press on it. I'm sorry, not press, you pull on the tab, and then you just pull it out. And then this one, you just pull it out. There's no tab or anything. And yeah, this is how the old one looks. Let's go ahead and put the new one in there real quick. Which one is it though? Oh look, so this is the, yeah, you know what? Yeah, this gives you a good look. Look at that. So you can see how the blue one is way wider and this one's more like close up. So something I forgot to mention. So this is the OEM one. We gotta take this white, what is it, like adapter, and then put it over here. So from what I saw, you just pretty much just pry it out. Oh, this is kind of hard with one hand, you know. But you know what? Hold up, I'm gonna put the camera down real quick. Let me do this so I can get it done. But you essentially just put like a pry tool down here, pry it, and then just take it out. And that's pretty much it. You got it out, the OEM one. It wasn't that hard. You just legit just pry it out, and then you just stick it in here. Let me see. It's right there. Yeah, that's it. That's all there is to. Oh, nope, that did not click in right. Hold up, let me see. Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's how it goes. Oh, I kind of need both my hands so I can put it in. Hold up. Got it on the new one. Just gonna go ahead and get that installed real quick, and we're pretty much done. So it's not a big install. It's nothing too difficult. So I hope you guys got it down. I'm just gonna put the camera down and then put everything back together, and then we'll see how it looks in the final cut. Because the other side we still gotta do, but you guys saw it doesn't take long. Put like 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. So if you guys want to do it yourselves, you can. It shouldn't be that big of a struggle. If you're having issues, just let me know in the comments. I try to respond to every comment that I can. If not, DM me on my Instagram at JR6P. Same thing. I try to message everybody back when I can. Cause sometimes I do get like, I just say I'm going to, and then I see the message, and then I'll get distracted, and then I didn't respond to anything, and I'm like, shit, I didn't respond to anything, and then I go and respond, but it's like a day later. But either way, I'll try to get back to you guys if you have any questions. Again, I got these from Suma Performance. I think it's sumaperformance.com. They look pretty nice. They're really thick. They don't feel cheap at all. I feel like the OEM ones look cheaper. I do gotta clean this though. It looks so dirty now because of the grease. But let me go put this on. I think I've talked for long enough. And yeah, I'll put this on real quick. I'll not be done, but I always find something that I mess up. So I grabbed the wrong side mirror. This is the right side. So I gotta go take the left side out real quick so I can put this adapter on it. I'm so slow, man. All right, guys. So 5 minutes later and we're done. Look, so this is the final product, even though it's a little bit dirty. No, let me clean that up real quick, actually. But that's one side. And then this is the other side. The final result is this one. As you guys can see, it does have that blue tint. It kind of matches the wrap too, which is kind of cool. So this is one side. It is way wider. I can see what they're talking about. It is way wider. That's one side. And then this is the other side. Hello. Low key, I kind of started panicking because I couldn't put it on. Because those two white tabs that kept going, they kept retracting, and I was like, how do I do this? And you have to push it all the way in, and then you just pop it in place. But you know what? You live and you learn, right? Either way, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Drop that subscribe, drop the like. I'm so close to getting to 4,000 watch hours. And then with whatever money I end up making on YouTube, everything's gonna go to my cars. So I can build a big ass car channel. Either way, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. Any questions, let me know in the comments down below. See you guys in the next one.